Okay, we're back. We have the varnish for the trim around the hatch opening, and so we'll be applying that shortly. So we're using wood finish gloss because this allows you to put the varnish on and not sand between coats. So I'll probably apply, I don't know, 3 or 4 coats of this, and then probably 1 coat of the high gloss varnish, because we want to build up. We want to thin the first few coats, and then the last coat will be full strength. So get the thinner. In the first coat, we're going to thin 50% approximately. So we only need a little amount, so I'm not going to be using too much varnish. So I'm going to try to not get varnish in the groove here. So old trick to put tape on the lip of the can, and hopefully that'll minimize cleanup and not get varnish in the grooves, and that might glue the lid down when I go to put it back. So I'm going to use very, very little. And then use very little thinner. Close enough. Close enough for government work. So take a paint stick that I've used for varnish before and mix it up. Now the varnish is relatively thick, so putting the thinner on will make it penetrate the wood better. So you've probably seen me do this before in my other videos. Shockingly exciting, I know, but so this is going to be like really, really, really thin, as you can tell. And then tomorrow, when I put the second coat on, I'm going to basically just add more varnish to this, because this will still be in good shape tomorrow, so I won't waste it. See, no varnish in the groove, so that's good. So I only have a little in there. I'll just keep thinning it, keep mixing it. So then I also have a new brush. I don't really have a small brush, so I got a 1-inch brush. So I use this to put it on the trim. So I've been playing around flicking this to get any kind of dust off of it, because it is brand new. So I hope to not have too much dust on it. So now, without further ado, I will go on the boat and apply this. Okay, we're back on the boat. I have the varnish all mixed, and now it's time to wipe down the wood, and then I will tape it off, and then we will apply the varnish. So what I use to wipe down the wood, I've been trying using denatured alcohol, and that seems to be working. That's what I use on the coach roof. So we'll do that here. So I'll wipe this down, and then we will start varnishing. Okay, basically I just put some on a little blue rag here. Probably not the best rag to use, but it seems to work. And you can see after I put it on there, that's what it's going to look like after it's varnished. So this will get all of the dust off. And again, I'm working in a very, very tight area here, so forgive me. So that's all I'm going to be doing here. I'm going to go over this twice. First one just to get the big particles, and the second one to get anything that I missed. So as you can see, the wood blends in nice. So let me go do this, and then I'll be back. So that's all done. I've been using the denatured alcohol because it seems to work similar to acetone, but doesn't evaporate as fast and seems to just work well. So I was not really happy with acetone or any other thinner that I tried, but the denatured alcohol seems to be working well. So now that that's done, now I can tape it. I can't find an easy way to mount the camera, so I'm just going to give a sample application. I'm loading up my brush. And we'll just put it on. It's going to run. And then anything that I get over, I can just wipe off because it's so thin. Okay, that's about it. I'm going to wipe off what went onto the stainless there, but other than that, that's pretty much it. Okay, we're all done with the varnish on the first coat anyways. Looks pretty good. We'll let that sit a day, and then I'll come back tomorrow and give it another coat, and then we'll finish it up later. Thanks for watching.